Your girl didn't want to like fuss around with making triangles and rectangles and Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name's Olivia Janelle and this is a channel where I share all of my favorite recipes, techniques, and was it worth it? If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video and also subscribe. It goes a long way. In today's video, I am going to be making everything but the bagel seasoned pretzel bites with a beer cheese sauce. It's so good. It's delicious. And of course, I will be pairing it with a beverage. With all that said, let's just get right to it. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add to a mixer or you can mix by hand. It will take a little bit longer though. Flour your work surface, knead your dough, and occasionally add more flour if needed. Cut your dough like so. Roll out your section of dough. Cut into sections. In half a cup of boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add your balls of dough to the baking soda water, then add to your rack. Put into the air fryer at 370 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. While we wait, let's make our beer cheese sauce. For the beer, I will be using Cigar City's High Life. For our cheese, I will be grating 1 cup of Swiss cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. In a medium-sized pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of your beer, whisk until thoroughly combined, add 1 cup heavy cream, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and onion sauce. Add your cheese, little bits at a time, and stir vigorously. And add more of your beer to taste, add a pinch of salt. Your beer cheese sauce will begin to thicken. That's how you know it will be done. Add melted butter to each and top with everything but the bagel seasoning. Enjoy. So we're gonna try this. It is delicious. Okay. Everything but the bagel season. You know, little nugget. Oh, it's not a nugget, it's a pretzel. It's a pretzel. This slaps. It's definitely fire. I know this is not was it worth it video, but it is worth it. In the cooking process, I will say this. You have to put your balls of dough in the baking soda. That is the most important step in this whole entire process of making pretzels. Even if you make the pretzels like in the actual pretzel shape, your girl didn't want to like fuss around with making triangles and rectangles and like that. So I definitely just wanted to go for a more easy option. I'm probably going to get a question in the comment section down below. Can you make this vegan? I've never worked with vegan cheese before, especially in the melting process, so I'm not 100% sure if you can combine beer with those types of cheeses. Like, you know, I'm not trying to be a snob or anything like that. It's just like I personally don't know. I've never worked with it before. I've tasted it, yes, but as far as melting it and breaking it down, not 100% sure. With the dough, I'm going to say yes. But I definitely have to do some research. But of course, look in the description down below in the tips section, and I will definitely put something in there to see if you can make this vegan or not. And also, if you have any questions, if you enjoyed this, and yeah, just leave it in the comments down below. Like, let a girl know. Also, you can definitely use a vegan butter on top of this. I can't pronounce it. It's called Mykonos. That is my favorite vegan butter. I'm not vegan. I do have a lot of vegan meal. I still love my chicken. And in my thirsty segment, brought to you by H2O, because we all need to drink a little bit more water every single day, huh? And this water is brought to you by the sparkling springs of my Brita water filter. Stay hydrated, my friends. No, this is so good. She can be served hot, cold, or at room temperature. Definitely got a refreshing taste to that. Wow. Get you some water, H2O. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, please give this video a like, subscribe. Don't forget to juice be yourself. And as always, I will see you in my next video.